Next exercise 8. The 16th row, we can see the Pascal triangle is given 115, 105, another 2. We know that 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1. If you see 1 with 3, it means the power is going to be 3. So this is 4, 6, 4, 1. If you see 1, 4 is next to 1, it means power is going to be 4. So this is 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3, 4C4. Likewise, when you look at 1 to 15, then this is going to be 15. This is 15C0, 15C1, 15C2, 15C3, and 15C4. Now, we want to find 15C3 and 4. 15C3, 15 and factorial 3 and difference. Factorial 15 minus 3 is 12. So 15 times 14 times 13 divided by 3 times 2 times 1. So this 12 and this rest of 12 cancel out. This is 3 and this is 5. This is 2 and this is 7. So 35 times 13 is going to be 455. Then 15C 4 factorial 15 factorial 4, 15 minus 4, 11. So 15, 14, 13, 12 divided by 4, 3, 2, 1. This is cancelled out, and this is 3 times 1, 3 times 5, 2 times 2, 2 times 7, and actually this has to be, this is 12, it means this is going to be 6. And 2 times 1, this is going to be 3. So 5 times 7 times 13 times 3. You will get the answer as 1665. We want to find the coefficient of x cube. 1 plus 2x equal 15. Coefficient of x cube. Now, coefficient of, first of all, write the x cube term. 15, 3, 2x cube, and 1, 15 minus 3, 12. So 15, 3, we work out 455 times 1 times, this is 2 cube plus x cube. So 455 times 2 cube being 8 x cube. This is going to be 3640 x cube. So coefficient of x cube is 3640. This is the equation we want to solve and we want to find a. So I can write this one factorial 45 and factorial 17 and difference of this one 45 minus 17 28, 45, 17 factorial, a factorial. Hence, a should be 28. Argument. Because to make this one equal to those two parts same, hence 45, 45 same, 17, 17 same, and to be, to say left side and right side, it has to be 28. This is also not wrong. We can cancel out those two. But there is no law of factorial calculation. We know that um, 45 plus 30 is 75. But there's no such a calculation. 45 factorial, 35, 70 factorial. But having the knowledge or the division also same, this is going to be a number. Also, this is going to be a number, and those two numbers is going to be same. Because of that, I cancel out. Not because of factorial 45. Because 45 times, 44 times, 43 times is a number. And when you consider this way, so this is 1 more factorial to 28, 1 more factorial a. It means 28 cross multiply a equal factorial a equal 28. Then a has to be 28. Question number 3. Probability that n people win a prize is given by this formula. Probability is given with 1 over 7, 0.7. So you can understand this question, what is going on here, clearly when you do the probability. But for this section, you just need to simply apply and work out. Part A is when n equal 5 and P equal half. So will 25 P mean half to the power n is 5 and 1 minus again half 20. This is minus n, 20 minus n, 20 minus 5. So 25, this is half of 5, 1 minus half also half. Then that is going to be half because 1 minus half is half. And 20 minus 5, 15. Now the base is same. You can add these together, 25. Half a times this addition needs to be 20, 15 plus 5, 20. Now we want to find 20 C5 factorial 5 and factorial 15, 20 minus 20, 19, 18, 17, 16 or 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is 5 and this is 4. and this is 4 and this is 1. Um, this is 2, this is 8, and this is 3, this is 6. It means 19 times 6 times 17 times 8. 19 times 6 times 17 times 8. So this is the 25, and this is 1 over 2 to the power 20. 1 to the power 20 is 1 step. So this is the answer. We have to work out this. So this is 0.01428 to 3 significant figures. Part B, probability that n people winning. Now nobody is winning means n equals 0. P equal they give 0.7. I will write this is 7 over 10. Then this is 20 over 0, and P means 7 over 10 to the power 0, and 1 minus 7 over 10, 20 minus 0. This is 20, 0, 7 over 10, 0. Now this is 1 minus 7 over 10 means 3 over 10, 20. This is 1. This is also 1. Now this is 3 over 10 to the power 20. So this is for 3 significant figures. Part C, n equal 3 and p equals 0.6, which is 6 out of 10. So this is going to be 23, 6 out of 10 to the power n mean 3. This is 1 minus 6 out of 10, 23. So 23, this is 6 out of 10, 3, and 4 out of 10, this is 17. In other way, 23, this is 0.63 and 0.4, 17. You get answer 0.166 to 3 significant figures. Coefficient of x is minus 24. So first of all, find the coefficient of x, and we know the value. So I rewrite the way that I can put into the binomial coefficient of x. So the first term, the coefficient x is going to be the second term, x to the power 1. So p1 equal minus 3 to the power x to the power 1 times 1 p minus 1. 1 times p minus 1 also 1. So p1, this is times minus 3 over 2 x. So this value is minus 24. Now the equation is p1 times minus 3 over 2 is minus 24. So p1 equal minus 24. I multiply by 2 and divide by 3. So minus 16. In here, I had to work out again. p times minus 3 over 2. I'll rewrite p1 times minus 3 over 8 equal minus 24. Minus to minus cancel out. P1 equal minus 24 divided by minus 3 multiplied by 2 is going to be 16. Now what is P1? What is 4-1 is? What is 6-1? What is N1? What is 13-1? What is, yeah, what is 4-1 is 4, 6-1 is 6, N1 is N, and 100-1 is 100. So this is P1 is P equal simply 16. Or we can give a calculation factorial P factorial 1 divided by P minus 1 equal 16. Now factorial P minus 1 factorial times 1 equal 16. Now P minus 1 factorial P I can write P times P minus 1 factorial. So this is P times P minus 1 factorial, P minus 1 factorial. This is factorial 1 is 1. So I'm not going to write. So this is cancel out. P equal 16. Now you know the expansion. So this is going to be 16. And this is going to be 16. So part B, find the coefficient of x square in the expansion. So we want to write x square term. It means 16 2 minus 3 over 2 x square, then 1, 16 minus 2, 14. Now this is going to be 16 over 2, 1 to the power 14 is 1, and this is 9 over 4 x square, minus 3 over 2 means 9 over 4. This is minus 3 over 2 square, which is 9 over 4. That's how it is going, as 9 over 4. Now 16 2 times 9 over 4. 16 2 factorial 16 factorial 2 factorial 14. 16 times 15 over 2. This is going to be 8. 15 times 8. So 15 times 2, 30. 30 times 8. So 15, 8 means 30 times 4, 120. But better to keep as it is, 30 times 4 over 9 over 4, 4 to 4 cancel out. 9 times 0, 270 x square. So the coefficient of x square is 270. So part C, we need the x cubed term. So 23. When I 3 cube, then I am end up with writing 3, 23, and this is cube, and this is 1, 20 minus 3, 17. So this is 23, 117 is 1, and minus 3 over 2 cube times x cube. I break this one. So this is going to be 23 is going to be factorial 20 factorial 3, factorial 17. 20 times 19 times 18. This is 3 times 2 times 1. So this is 6 and this is 3. So this is going to be 60 times 19. So 60 times 19 times 9 over 27 over 8. And minus, this is going to be minus because it is an odd number. And this answer, so coefficient is going to be this is the coefficient part. So you will get an answer of is the coefficient. So 2 minus x means we have to write in the right form. 2 plus minus x to the power 5. So this is 5c0. 2 5 minus x0 5c1 2 4 minus x square minus x1 and 5c2 2 3 minus x square. So these three terms will give this one. This is, we know that this is 1. 2 to the power 5 times 1. We know this is 5. Anything we discard 5 1 is 5, 100 1 is 100, like that. This is 5 and 2 to the power 4, and this is going to be minus x, and this is 5c2. Now we need to find that is going to be 10. 10 to 3 minus x square become x square. So 2 5. I think I have to rework this sum. This is not 5, this is 13. Then I had to rewrite everything. So, okay. So 13 0 to 13 minus x0, 13 1 to 12 minus x1, and 13 2 to 11 minus x 2 plus dot dot. So this is 1 times 2, 13 times 1 plus 13 times 2, 12 times minus x, and this is going to be 13 2. I have to work out factorial 13, factorial 2, factorial 11. So 13 times 12, and this is factorial 11 and 2. 6 times 3, 18. So this is 78, 2, 11, and x square plus 8192 minus 2. Now A is 8192, B is minus 53248, and C is 159744. 1 minus 2x to the power 10. We want to write up to 3 times. So this is 1 plus minus 2x to the power 10. So we'll start writing the expansion. 10, 0, 1, 10, minus 2x 0, and 10, 1, 1, 9, minus 2x 1, 10, 2, 1, 8, minus 2x square, 10, 3, 1, 7, minus 2x cube plus. How I am writing? So when I know that the two terms, now it is clear. When I write 10, 0, then I write 1 and this value is going to be 10 minus 0. Then minus 2x, this one is match. When I am writing this one, what I did was when I write 10, 1, I know already 10, 1, 10 minus 1 is 9. Then I know this one is going to be 9. Then I know the next one power is 1 by looking at this. So this is my guidance. If I write 10a, then I write 1, 10 minus a and minus 2x a. So when you focus on that, you can write fast, do a fast writing. So this is going to be 1, 1 and 1, and this is 10, 1 and minus 2x and 10, 2. 45 times 1 times 4x squared, then 120 times 1 times minus 2 to the power 3 mean minus 8 x cube. So this is 1 minus 20x, 45 times 290, 180 x squared minus 120 times 8, 960 x cube. Part B 0.98 to the power 10 equal 1 minus 2x 10. So I'm going to find the suitable approximation. So I will make this one equal. So 0.98 equal 1 minus 2x. 2x equal 1 minus 0.98. 2x equal 0.02. X equal 0.01. Now I'll write a approximation. Y 1 minus 2x to the power 10 approximated by 1 minus 20x 180 x squared minus 960 x cubed, and x value has to be 0.1 when x equals 0.01. I'll substitute here 1 minus 2 times 0.01, 1 minus 20.01, 120.01 square, 960.01 cube. So this is 9.8 to the power 10 approximate 1 minus 0.2 plus 180 times 0.0001, 960 times 0.001, and this approximation is going to be 0.87 0.04. This is 2 minus 3x to the power 10. I will rewrite 2 plus minus 3x to the power 10. Now I have to write some terms. So still 10, 10, 0. 10 minus 0 is 10. So 2 to the power 10. And this value go to the here. Now when I write 10 and 1, I know next one is going to be 9. To the power 9, 10 minus 1, and minus 3 to the power this one. So then 10, 2. Then 10 minus 2, 8. 2, 8 minus 3x to the power 2. And 10, 3. 10 minus 3, 7. 2, 7 minus 3x 3 plus dot dot. This is 1, 2, 10, 1, 10, 2, 9 minus 3 times x plus 45, 2, 8 minus 3 square 9 x square, then 120, 27 minus 27 x cube. This is going to be 1024. This is going to be minus x plus 10680 x square minus 414720 x cube. Part B, we have to find the approximation. 1.97 to the power 10 equal 2 minus 3x to the power 10. It means 1.97 equal 2 minus 3x. It means 3x means 2 minus 1.97. 3x equal 0.03. Then x equal 0.01. So this is the approximation. So this value we have to substitute to this one. So I'll write only 3 terms now. 1024, 153, x0, x equals 0. When x equals 0.0i, so 2 minus 3 times 0.01 to the power 10. 1024, 150, 60, 0.01 times 10680.01 square 414720 minus. So this value should be 1024 minus, this is 153, yeah, 2.6 plus 103,680 into the power minus 4 minus 414720 into the power minus 6, and this answer is going to be 880.35. to dp minus 6. 3 plus 2x to the power 4. So this is going to be 4, 0, 4 minus 0. So this is 3, 4, 2x 0, and 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 2x 1, 4, 2, 3 square, 2x square, 4, 3, 3, 1, 2x cube, and 4, 4, 3, 0, 2x 4. This is going to be 1, 3 to the power 4 times 1 plus 4, 3 to the power 3, 27 times 2x plus 6 times 3 square 9. This is 4x square plus and again 4, 3, 2 to the power 3, 8, x cube. This is again 1 and 1, and 2 to the power 4, 16x4. So this is going to be 81 plus 216x plus this one 216 x square plus 96 x cube plus 16x4. So this is 3 plus 2x to the power 4. Part A. Part B, we need to find 3 minus 2x to the power 4. It means 3 plus minus 2x to the power 4. Now I have the expansion of 3 plus 2x. Now 2x equal minus 2x. Instead of 2x, I have to bring here minus 2x. 2 is always fixed. 2 is 2. 2x, now this is minus 2x. The only way I can write this is 2x, 2 minus x. 2x of x means this is also 2, this is also 2. We can't touch 2. Then only the possibility is the variable x. Instead of x, now we have to put minus x. So now instead of here, we will take this one, 3 plus 2 times minus x to the power 4 equal 81 plus 216 minus x plus 216 minus x square plus 96 minus x cube plus 16 minus x to the power 4. Now this is 3 minus 2x to the power 4. This is 81. This is an odd number. Hence it's become negative. This is a even number. It is stay as it is. This again odd. This is negative, and this is even. Then stay as it is. This is so. From this expansion, with a single substitution, we consider when x as minus x. Now part C, um, we want to find the addition of those two. Now when I look at this one, I'll match with this. This is 3 plus 2 square root 2. It means x has to be square root 2. And this one 3 minus 2 square root 2. It means I just need to replace x by square root 2 on both. And then I have to add. So now I have two options. Either I can replace and add, or I can add and replace. So I'm going to add those two together. When it in the which form, x form, it is easy with the x form. So first of all, if I take this is 1 and 2, I will add those two together, 1 plus 2. Then I will get 3 plus 2x to the power 4 plus 3 minus 2x to the power 4. Then this is, I am going to add, when I add those two together, 81 plus 81. Okay, I will write 2 times 81, 2 times 81. And when I add, this is cancel out. And this is 2 times 216x square. And then this is cancel out, plus and minus again. And this is 2 times 16x4. So when I add those two together, those are cancel out and only 3 terms going to be remain. Now this is equal 3 plus 2x to the power 4 plus 3 minus 2x to the power 4 equal 162 plus this is 432x square. This is going to be 32x to the power 4. 2 times 81. Now when I, instead of this one, when I substitute uh, x as square root 2, then I can get this expression 3 plus 2 square root 2 to the power 4 plus 3 minus 2 square root to the power 4 equal 162, 432 square root 2 square, and then 32 square root to the power 4. This is 162. This is 432 times square root square mean 2. And this is square root square times square. It means square root is 2 is 2. 2 square is 4. 32 times 4. So 162 plus this is 60. 32 times 4. This answer is going to be 1154. Question number 9. 1 over x over 2. Coefficient of x square is 7. X square is 7. So we'll find the coefficient of x square term. Actually, this is not 9, this is n. So n2, then 1 n minus 2, and x over 2 to n2 mean we'll discuss that one later. And this is 1 n minus 2 is still 1. This is going to be 1 over 4 x square. So n n2 times 1 over 4 x square. Coefficient of x square is n2 1 over 4. Hence n2 1 over 4 equals 7. Hence n2 equal 28 because multiplied. What is now n2 will work out? Factorial n factorial 2 n minus 2 factorial equal 28. Now we know that this factorial n we can write n times n minus 1 factorial. Factorial n you can write n minus 1 times n minus 2 factorial. So n you can write n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 times factorial. So we will pick up the one we want. So we want n minus 2 factorial to make. It means this one. So I'm going to write n minus 1 and n minus 2 factorial. I made n minus 2 factorial on numerator. So I know that I can cancel out that. Equal 28. Factorial 2 is 2. Then this is going to be n times n minus 1 is 54. 2 times 8, 56, not 4. So factorial 2 is 2. We know that factor. 2 times 1 is 2. That's why I cross multiply. Now this is a quadratic equation. We'll solve now. N square minus n equal 56. N minus n minus 56 equal 0. N minus 8. N plus 7 equals 0. N equal 8 or n equal minus 7. So, but n is a positive integer, hence n equal 8. Now I know what is the n value. N value is going to be 8. Now I want to write the fourth term, x4 terms, right? So then I'm writing 8 and 4 first. Then 1, 8 minus 4 is 4. And then x over 2 and 4. So this is 8, 4 times 1 over 2, 4, x4. So now this is the coefficient of this one. 8 forming factorial 8, factorial 4 and factorial 4. 8 times 7 times 6 times 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 times 2, 6, and this is 6, cancel out. And this is 4, and this is 2. So 35, 70. So 70 times, this is 1 over 16x4. This is 35 over 8x4. So coefficient of x4 term is 35 over 8. Question number 10. So we have to expand this one. 4, 0, 3, 4, 10x0, 4, 1, 3, 3, 10x1, 4, 2, 3 square, 10x square, and 4, 3, 3, 1, 10x, 3, and 4, 4, 3, 0, 10x, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Now this is going to be 1, 3, 4, 1 plus 4, 3, 3, 10x. This is 6, 3 square. 10 mean 100 x square. This is 4, 3. This is 1000 x cube. And this is 1 times 1 times 4000, 10,000 x. So this is going to be 81 plus 1080x plus 12,000 x cubed plus 10,000 x to the power 4. Now part B, we need to find approximation to this 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 3 to the power 4. So we'll match with this one. 3 plus 10 x to the power 4. And this is equal to this. I will write 3 plus 10x equal to 1003. 10x equal 1000. Then x equal 100. So we have to substitute x equal 100 to this equation. So when x equal 100, so 3 plus 10 times 100 to the power 4 equal 81. 1080 times 100 mean 10 square. 100 mean 5400 times 10 to the power 4 and 100 mean 10 square. So this is 10 square mean 10 to the power 4. Now 1200, this is 10 square times 3, 10 to the power 6. And this is 10 square times 4, 10 to the power 8. 10,000 10 to the power 8. It means I can write this is 1 times 10 to the power 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 10 to the power 12. And this is 12, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 0.012 times 10 to the power 12. So this is 5400 10 to the power 4. So this is going to be, I'll put some zeros. It's going to be a bigger number, very small number. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 0.00054. 0.00054. 10 to the power 12. So this is 1080 times 10 square I think I need to rework this one. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, that is 0.001234. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 10 to the power 12. And so 1080 10 square. It means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here, so it's going to be 0.3361, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 0, 8, 0 to the power 10 to the power 12. And then 81 10 to the power 0. So we'll start 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 81 times 10 to the power 12. So this is kind of a sum. Now I'm going to you to add these two, three together and write answer as 10 to the power 12. Or instead of that, you can work the other way around. So this is 81 and this is 1080, and take that multiply by 100. 5400, then multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, and 12, this is 12,000. Then other 6 zeros, 12,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is going to be 10,000. Another 8 zeros likewise. You can work that way as well. Question number 11, this is a 12, 0, 1, 12, 2x 0, 12, 1, 1, 11, 2x1, and 12, 2, 1, 10, 2x, 2, then 12, 3, 1, 9, 2x9, and this is 1, 1, 12, and this is 2x plus, this is going to be, this is not 9, this is 3. So this is going to be 220 times 8x cubed plus 1 plus 24x plus 264x squared plus 1760 x cubed. So we want to do approximation 1.0 to the power 12. So I'll bring this one 1 plus 2x to the power 12, and I'll compare, and 1 plus 2x equal 1.02, 2x equal 1.02 minus 1, 2x equal 0.2, x equal 0.01. So now I have to substitute x equal 0.01 to get the approximation. when x equal 0.01, 1 plus 2 times 0.01 to the power 12, 1 plus 24.01, 264.01 square plus 162.01 cube. It means 1 plus 0.24 plus 0.0264 plus 0.001760. 1.26816. So this is the approximation. Part C. So calculator value is going to be 1.02 to the power 12 is 1.268241,975. Now part D we need to do a error percentage. Calculator value is bigger, so 1.268241,975 minus 1.26816 divided by 1. This 1.268241975 multiplied by 100. So this is equal 0.000645 percentage.